Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up.
Calculus problems like this integral are fast to solve using the power rule. Let's find the value of k together right now. First, rewrite the fraction 1 over square root x as x to the negative 1/2 power. Integrating this gives us 2 times the square root of x from 1 to k. Next, plug in your limits of integration to get 2 times the square root of k minus 2. We set this entire expression equal to 10 as given in the problem. Add 2 to both sides to get 12, divide by 2 and square the result. Thus, k equals 36, which is option B. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch your signs and avoid rushing. Always trust the given information and check your steps.